Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet owl. For this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in blue, green, white and yellow, a 3mm hook, scissors, wool needle, a stitch marker, safety eyes on their backs and some stuffing. We're going to start off with making the body and head. Using green wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2 you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3 you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. From rounds 4 to 7 you'll do 18 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here to complete rounds 4 to 7. Then you'll change over to blue wool. From rounds 8 to 11 you'll do 18 single crochets all the way around. And finally you'll put the head and body aside, as we'll finish it later on. Moving on to the eyes. Using white wool, for round 1 you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Then for round 2 you'll do 6 increases, then you'll slip stitch and fasten off. Then you'll make a second one of these eyes. Now we'll make the wings. You're going to start off by cutting the wool from the body, leaving a long enough tail so you can single crochet across the top afterwards. Then using this blue wool, what you'll do is you'll chain 4. Then for round 2 you'll do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, then 1 single crochet again, and then 4 single crochets into the last chain. Then you'll do 2 single crochets down the other side and then slip stitch and fasten off. Then remember to make a second wing. Moving on to the final part, the assembly. So to attach the white parts of the eyes, what you'll do is you'll use a safety eye and push it through that and the body, and then secure it in place with the back. You'll do this for both eyes. Then, using a wool needle, you'll sew around the edge of the eyes with the tail. Then you'll stuff the body. Then you'll single crochet across the top of the head and fasten off. Then you'll attach the wings to each side of the body besides the eyes. And finally, using yellow wool, you'll sew a beak between the eyes. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials every single week. If you have any ideas for crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.